Hello guys, how are you? Today we have an application for you, an application called Dzura. Dzura is a Wi-Fi password retriever for Windows PC. You can get it on this website, princemarecha.com, and from there you can actually see multiple copies that you can download depending on your system type, either 64-bit or 32-bit. After you've chosen a copy suitable for your system, you'll be redirected to a downloads page. You can just click download. There isn't much to worry about here. After it finishes, the copy will be saved locally in your downloads folder. So you just open your Explorer and navigate to the downloads folder. There it is. To be a zipped file. I think Windows Explorer can open it for you without need for a third-party application, but you can actually use WinRAR like I'm doing right now. Okay, the Windows installer dialog box pops up, and you have to read all the information before you click next. Verify the destination path before you click next again, and wait to be installed, then click next. Okay, yeah, you just have to wait. The installation speed really depends on your PC. If you have a faster machine, it will finish even quicker. If you have a slower machine, you just have to wait a bit. Okay, it's done now. You have to click finish or enter, and find the shortcut on the desktop with the keyholder icon titled Dzura. Double click on it. There we are. Okay, here we are. This is our user interface, and this is a list of various SSIDs and related passwords or passkeys. Just have to look up the SSID if you know it by name and figure out what its password is. Okay, many of you might not be familiar with the language in this user interface. The language is Shona. It's a local Zimbabwean language. It's a native language, so you can actually change it from the top right corner of your UI and change it to English or Dzura if you understand Dzura better. The top left button is for those who might want to help or assist. Batsira donate on the JGL. Just have to click on it to direct you to a PayPal donate page. Anything, guys, and this is just for those who want to help or feel like it. It's not like you are paying or something. And that does it. I think that's all. Any questions, you can directly email me from the email I've provided. Thank you.